Anthony Doyle, 14th of March, his ground floor, underfloor heating. This is the manifold setup. It's a system link setup and a Pessinaroli manifold and mixing valve set. The first thing we did was we adjusted the mixing valve here until we had approximately 50 degrees flow temperature, which was indicated there. Also then we labelled the zones so that we knew what at least what stats were on, and what's unknown is which loop of the 12 loops on the ground floor goes where. But we do know, for instance, that the kitchen stat turns on loops 1, 2 and 3, but whether they go to the kitchen we're not entirely sure. And Anthony's going to run that experiment. I've showed him how to set it up in such a way that he has only one loop on and leave that on for 4 or 5 hours and identify where in the house that is heating. Okay, so then we measured the return temperature for the 12 ports or loops, and we did this over the course of an hour from about 12:43 to 13:55, and then we ended up ranking the loops like this. So we found that loops 11 and 12 were actually ranked 11 and 12, so they were getting the poorest heating there, and then also loops 6 and 7 were quite poor. But then the next experiment we ran, ran 11 or loop 12 on its own, and we got that to heat quite well. Loop 11 on its own, and we got that to heat quite well. So we probably do have a flow rate issue here, and the next step is to get the flow meters that can plug in there at the top, so that we can balance the thing properly. It's almost impossible to balance it when there's a big flow difference here without the flow meters. And that's it. We've changed the pump as well from setting 2 to setting 3 to give us more flow rate and therefore more heat.